So let's talk about rock sliders, specifically these OEM Toyota ones here. So let's talk about how bad that intro was. This is an old video. It somehow got lost in the mix of all the other ones and it never got uploaded. But you can see the 5th gen 4Runner looks way different now than it will in this video. But in front of me, I have the OEM rock slider, which is what we are going to be showing you how to install in this video. You can grab a set of these from yodaexpedition.com. The link is right down in our description. And this is a great option if you're looking for something on a budget. Now, if you have some running boards on your 4Runner, I would suggest getting those things off. They're not strong, they're robbing ground clearance from you. Put a set of rock sliders on, it's gonna look better, and you're gonna have more protection. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video and show you how to get these installed. All right, so from the underside of the vehicle, you can see we have 2 bolts here holding the running boards on, as well as 2 on the front side and 2 on the back side. They're all 13mm bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those out and the running board should come right off. All right, so we got the running board off, and I would suggest putting the bolts back in the hole or some sort of rubber plug so that water and stuff can't get into the threads or up inside the body. All right, when it comes to mounting your rock sliders, we're gonna be going into these 2 bolt holes here around your e-brake cable. This single hole right here, and then up front, we have these 2 bolt holes right here. All right, guys, so there you have it, the OEM rock sliders installed on the 5th gen 4Runner. Like I said, this is a great option if you're on a budget, and they look pretty good. They're pretty sleek. They stay close to the body, so you don't get, tons of protection like you would to most of the aftermarket options out there. But nonetheless, this is a great option. If you want to grab a set, they're available on our website, yodaexpedition.com. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button. We are constantly posting new Toyota 4Runner Tacoma content all the time. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.